In this video, I'm going to show you how to use X for meme coins. Now, the first thing you'll need for this is an Axiom Pro account. There's a link down below in the description, and if you sign up using my link, you'll get a 10% discount on all trading fees forever. So make sure you check it out, you will not regret it. Axiom is one of the best platforms for trading meme coins. It's packed with a lot of different premium features like wallet trackers and Twitter tracker we're going to be using right now. You can get rewards, or basically you can get Solana back, like cash back, just for trading Solana, which is amazing. You can set your own presets, your own fees, etc. So again, link down below, make sure you check it out, you won't regret it. Now, over here, if you want to use X for meme coins, you can do this directly on Axiom. And the way you can do this, you want to go to trackers. And here you can see you can customize your X feed. What you can do over here is you can basically add a handle over here. So whatever handle you want, you can just literally add them in here. So whatever they are, like a username, let's say this one, you can add them in here. And then it's going to get to your tracking list. You can go to top subscriptions, see what people are following the most. And then over here inside Twitter alerts, you'll be able to see different X posts from those people that you are following. What this means is that whenever something new drops, a fresh meme coin, or for example, somebody tweets something about a meme coin that could have potential to actually explode that meme coin, you can go ahead and buy it very quickly. Now, what's also great in here is you can go to the polls tab and you can use this Twitter tracker by clicking down here at the bottom, and it's going to just basically overlay on your screen. You can then put it on the right over here. You can put it here on the left if you want to as well, or you can go ahead and basically just have it wherever your screen where you want. Okay, so this is completely up to you. You can use it however you want, and of course then you can just go ahead and track the meme coins dropping, the meme coins worth investing in, etc. So this is how to use X for meme coins the most efficient way. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.